Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here to tell you about the most successful sedan in the Indian market. I'm gonna tell you about all new Honda City 2020 variant, which is going to be soon open for the sale in the upcoming month of July. So let's get started. But before this, make sure that you subscribe our channel and never miss any update from automobile sector. So Honda come up with its upgraded variant of Honda City. Let's see all the specs and the information about it. Starting with the look, which is the most important factor while purchasing any car. And the headlamps and the tail lamps are the main parts which upgrades the look of any of the car. So this car comes with the full LED headlamps with an interesting 9 LED array inline shell, which gives an fantastic looks from the front side. Coming up to the side indicator lights, L-shaped LED turn signal lights are given, which makes the compact relationship between the full LED lamps and the turning signal, and it gives a fabulous look to the car from the front side. Moving to the rear side, Z-shaped wrapped LED 3D rear combo lights are given. So it also makes the interesting look of the car from the rear side. Moving on to the interior, the premium leather seat with the unique design are given, which are quite similar to the old one, and the center armrest is also there. And most unique is that the door trim with the soft pads is also given, which becomes more comfortable for the person sitting next to the door for the armrest or any other. Seat belts are given for all the 4-5 passengers. And moving on to the dashboard, which is looking quite similar to the old one, but some upgraded features are also given. The 20.3 cm touchscreen display is given at the center of the dashboard, and two AC vents are there on the side of this touchscreen display. And the AC control unit is quite similar to the old one, and nothing more to be talked about there. One touch electric sunroof is given in this car. Moving on to the steering section, we can see 17.7 cm full HD color display, which is having RPM meter, speed meter, and some another stuff which is important in the car. And moving on to the engine sector, this car comes with the two engine variants. First one, 1.5 liter iVTEC petrol engine, and second one, 1.5 liter iD-Tech diesel engine. Both this engine supports the BS6 norms in India. So these were all the technical and the look matters features of this car. So Honda is upgrading Honda City, so there must be some unique features. So let's talk about some unique, and I think so, most unique features of this car. First feature is that India's first connected car with Alexa remote capability. This seems quite interesting features, because if you are driving a car alone, you can just say, Alexa play this song, Alexa play that song. It will be some interaction between the car and the you. This is very quite interesting feature coming from the Honda in the Honda City 2020 variant. Moving on to the next feature, this is Honda next generation connected with the telematic control unit in this car. Means you can control the temperature, you can unlock the car by sitting at your home or any another place just by using the app. It is very important, and I think so necessary feature in the today's busy world. This car comes with the 6 airbags, and the most unique feature I see in this car is that this car comes with the lane watch camera, which is situated at the bottom of the side mirrors of the car. This is very unique because you can see the side lane view of the car at the display at the dashboard, and it will be very helpful for the driver while parking a car, and it will avoid the damage of the car while parking or driving it on the road. Another unique feature is that a tire pressure monitoring system is given in this car. So if the tire pressure is low or very high, the car will warn you to maintain it for the better performance of the engine and the overall car performance. And this car comes with a unique feature of hill start assist, so that if you park the car on the steep slope, or you while driving on the steep slope, you apply the urgent brake, So the brakes of the car will hold the car automatically for some time before moving forward the car, so it will help the driver to drive more easily. And these were all the unique and the tech specs and all the specs about this car. But another three cars are going to be launched in the upcoming month of July, and that three cars are MG Motors Hector Plus, Mercedes Benz EQC, which is the first electric car from the Mercedes Benz in India, and RS Sportback variant from Audi. So if you want the review video of all these three cars, then comment down below and surely I will make this video for all of you. If you are watching this video till now, make sure hit the like button and subscribe our channel and never miss any update from the automobile sector. Signing off, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.